more new patients does not mean more profitability. Okay, so what we see, and if we're here oh, these are markers, maybe. Are these the new ones, Krista? Oh, I love new markers. I'm like a kid with a new box of crayons. Love that. So what we see is, now remember, profits, we talk about money here, we talk about profits here, but I want to make it really clear right from the very start that my belief is the only way that we get to improving profits is by doing what's right for the patient at the right time, every time, right? It's improving how well we're doing that. That's where profitability lies, right? So we're not, money is the measure, but it's not the important thing. The important thing is that we're getting better and better and better at doing what's right for the patient at the right time, every time, okay? So money's the measuring stick, it's not the goal. And every one of you have been around somebody that money was their goal, and you can tell it. You can almost smell it, right? And so, and you know what your reaction to that is. It's kind of repulsive, right? So our patients can tell that if that's what we're all about, right? So it's the right thing, right time, every time. So what we see with new patients, as new patients grow, you think it just keeps on going and going and going. It doesn't, right? It doesn't. There's a point at which it starts to go down, unless we're adding doctors, right? There's a point where we have so many new patients, and so we have this in one of my own practices right now. We have too many new patients. So the diagnosis percentage, guess what's happening to it? It's going down. There's another one coming. Oh man, I just don't have time to talk to this patient about the treatment they need. So, because I got another one, right, and another one, right? So diagnosis percentage goes down. Case acceptance, what happens to it? Not spending the time with the patient. They don't necessarily understand. So they're confused. Confused don't buy. Case acceptance goes down. Guess what happens with profitability? Goes down.